You're watching Project 380 and this is Back to Basics. In this video, we're removing the standard seats from this 2.5. And to do that, all you're going to need is a ratchet with a 14mm socket on it. And if you've got it, a really long extension may help. We're going to start off by tilting the seat forward and sliding the seat forward. Slide that forward as far as it could go. Then behind the seat, you'll be able to see these two bolts, one there and one there. If you're lucky, these may have plastic caps on it. All you've got to do is just pull them off. Then you could get your 14mm socket with ratchet down in there and break them off. But as you can see, you can't get a huge swing with a ratchet down there. This is where that big extension may come in handy, as you can get the ratchet far enough away from the seat to give it a good swing. With the back two bolts out, we can now slide the seat backwards. Now we can see the front two bolts, which may again have plastic covers on. These are both 14mm. If you've got heated seats or seats with speakers in the headrest, before lifting them out, there is some electrical connectors underneath the seats which we need to undo first. To make life a little easier to undo that plug, now the seat is unbolted, we can simply tilt it backwards to reveal some wiring underneath. And all we need to do is unplug it. With it all unbolted and unplugged, we can safely lift the seat out of the car. I hope you found that video helpful. As per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.